This error is so random I can't even recreate it for this video, but I can still show you how to fix it. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there Joomla fans, Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 311 here in the Basic Joomla channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. I also work on Joomla sites, maintain them, migrate them, update them. If you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term, or even just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com, and let's talk. Okay, let's turn our attention to the screen here, to this email that I received from a client today. And he told me when he opens the site, he gets this error: runtime exception, could not send site statistics to remote server, invalid data. I see this from time to time on all kinds of sites I'm working on, even on my own. I'm not sure what causes it, but the problem is that if when your site was set up or someone else set it up for you, they said yes to sending anonymous stats to Joomla about your install, every now and then when your site sends those stats, for some reason, it can't connect to the server. Maybe the server is down that's receiving those stats. Who knows? But here is the fix. So we're going to head into the back end of this Joomla site and go to System, Plugins, and we're going to search just for stat, part of the word. Now there's task site status. That's not what we're looking for. We're looking for this System Joomla Statistics. Now if you go in here, you can see the options of how often you want to send. You can reset the unique ID, the anonymous ID that your stats are sent under. You can set an interval in hours, how often it sends those stats. And you can actually set it to never send or to ask again for that option. But you know what? If you want to just avoid that error, especially if this is a site that one of your clients is using and you don't want them to have to be distracted by it when it happens, as much as I'm all for sending stats to Joomla, you can just go and click here, disable the plugin, and you won't have a problem with that error anymore because it's not going to try to send those stats. Subscribe for more videos. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.